Hello guys, this is a quick tutorial on how you can use Meta Business Suite. So, by using Meta Business Suite, you will be able to manage your Facebook page or your business really easy. For example, when we go to the homepage of your Meta Business Suite, you can see right here Create Post or this Add New button where you can post a reel, a video, or a picture that you want. With this, you can be able to easily post or do anything to your business with this all-in-one app, Meta Business Suite. And also with this, you can create reel, story, advertise, and many more. You can also be able to create an ad for your business. So it is easy right here. And then next, you can see right here on your home the recent post that you have. And then right here on content, the posts, the reels, the stories, the mentions, and the tags that you've had on your Facebook page. And then on inbox, this is where you can see the messages from your Facebook page. And you can also connect this to your Instagram. Aside from messages, you can also see comments right here. And then next, this is your tools. And then next right here on more tools, you can see ads, planners, business feed, and the help center. You can also see right here your appointments, events, and orders that you have. So it is really easy to have a Meta Business Suite. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.